I'd like to bring out to the stage, this is the kāne of Māluakiʻiwailehua. And I have to say, they have been working very, very hard for today's event. And you know, as a kāne dancer, especially when you approach hula for the first time and you're new to hula, usually you kind of like put on this probationary period where you gotta learn the fundamentals of hula, you gotta get the basics. And a lot of Kumu hula don't let dancers see the light of the stage until like about maybe a year or two in. But you know, I feel otherwise. I think that they need to get ma'a to this kind of thing because, you know, being their Kumu, they get a lot of opportunity for go out on the stage. And before we do the big stage, right now they just do the grass. So they're at the preliminary stage. This is the gentleman, the kāne of Hālau Māluakiʻiwailehua. They do for you a number entitled Ya Oe E Kala E Alohi Nei for our last reigning king, King David La'amea Kalakaua. The kāne of Hālau Māluakiʻiwailehua. Woohoo! Breathe, boys, breathe. Inhale. And you know, don't they look like the new flight of gentlemen for Hawaiian Airlines? Yeah, ship them out. They're ready to go.